There are multiple ways to turn your iPhone flashlight on or off. You can use Siri Voice Command, or lock screen or the control center to access and operate the flashlight. To access the flashlight through the lock screen, swipe down from the upper middle of the screen. Press and hold the flashlight to turn it on. Press again and hold to turn it off. To open the control center, swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen. Tap the flashlight icon to turn it on. Press and hold the flashlight to open the control to increase or decrease the brightness. Slide or tap on the bar to adjust brightness. Tap again to turn it off. You can also operate the flashlight using Siri voice commands.
Hey Siri. Turn on flashlight.
Okay, I turned flashlight on.
Now the flashlight is turned on.
Hey Siri. Turn off flashlight.
Okay, I turned flashlight off.
Now the flashlight is turned off. Hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to Clear Talking channel to get notified when new video tutorials are uploaded.